Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm gonna be vlogging on my GoPro Hero 7. This is it. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty decent day out. It's been snowing. Here's my car. I guess I'll just show you the little subtle mods I did. Okay, so let me throw all my camera gear in the back. So these are all the GoPro accessories. By the way, I highly recommend buying that. I'll have it linked in the video description, as well as I would invest in a windscreen for the GoPro. You can find them both on Amazon. Just throw our DSLR gear, which I'm not going to be using probably today unless I decide to take photos. Let me show you the little subtle mods I did inside of the car. Number one, from SubiSpeed, we got the little mirror cover thing. Also from SubiSpeed, we got these, the three climate control colored accents. I bought a STI shift knob just because I wanted to add a little bit more red in the interior. Those are the first mods we did. And like, here's a SubiSpeed air freshener as well. Looks more clean, I guess. You have the red accents everywhere, so we're gonna go out. I'm gonna get a haircut, believe it or not, and I'm going to buy a leaf blower. You're probably wondering why. Because I have a black car, and when you wash a black car, you have to dry it immediately, or else you get like water stains and shit everywhere. I'm gonna be going to like Lowe's or Walmart, and I'm gonna be getting a leaf blower. So every time I wash the car, I can dry it immediately after. So yeah, I'm gonna mount this to my head, and we're gonna do a POV drive. So hope you guys enjoy. All right. Salon. So I'm gonna go get my haircut, and then we're gonna like go to probably Walmart for this leaf blower so we can dry our car when we wash it. So yeah, I'm gonna go get this fresh cut, and we'll be right back. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed that POV driving footage of the Hero 7. Alright guys, we gotta wait anyway. Alright guys, listen, we have about a 45-minute wait on this motherfucking haircut, so I think I'm gonna head to Walmart now. We can get a leaf blower in 45 minutes, right? So it's 10:26. Yeah, I need to do math now. How do you do math again? So like at 11:10, we'll be back, okay? So we're gonna go head over and get that leaf blower. I'm gonna start filming in Walmart. I can't wait for that. So I just realized that this thing that comes in the GoPro accessories thing that I linked, I looked back at my footage and I heard this noise. And now you're hearing that because when you try to tighten this, it doesn't even tighten all the way down. See how it still spins? This is supposed to be used to tighten the screw, but it still keeps spinning. And this thing's still really loose, and it moves around, and it makes a stupid annoying noise. So I wouldn't recommend using this. It looks like a really cheap like selfie GoPro stick. I wouldn't recommend it. Time to head to Walmart. We're going to the ghetto Walmart too, so we're gonna see a lot of drugs and fights, and I'm kidding, it's not like that, but the drugs part maybe. So I don't know. First of all, these motherfuckers don't know how to how to walk. Well, you have the right of way, bitch. Hurry up. Oh shit, music. Fuck, copyright. Okay. These bitches are going to these bitch stores that sell makeup and shit. Hurry up, motherfucking bitches. Oh my god, look how slow these bitches are. Come on. Come on, motherfuckers. Please, 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 motherfuckers, please. Oh, fuck. No, I can't make it. Hold on, can I make it now? Of course not. There's 7 million thousand bitches coming. Oh, wait. God damn it, that fucking Honda. Oh my god, he's turning. Motherfucker, I could have made that. I could have made that, motherfucker. I can't tell where they're turning because they use the indicators at the last fucking second. These motherfuckers literally use their indicators at the last fucking second. Oh my god, another bitch is turning. Stop. Stop turning here. Fuck out of here. You slow ass fucking bitch. Hurry up, motherfucker. Here we go. Don't crash into me, bitch, in the Honda. Alright, we out this bitch. God damn. It takes 10,000 years to get out of these fucking plazas and shit. This bitch in front of me saw a few cones and fucking slowed all the way the fuck down to like 10 miles per hour. Like, bitch, the speed limit didn't change. You that scared just because you saw a fucking cone? Like, bro, motherfuckers don't know how to drive out here. I'm in the middle of cold hillbilly land, bro. Welcome to the ghetto Walmart. This is where all these bitches come to smoke weed and shit. If weed's not legal here, so okay. Let's go to Walmart. I can't wait to go to Walmart. It's so ghetto in there. Here we go, guys. Look at all these, watch all these bitches. They're gonna stare at me. He smoked his blunt and got in his car and now he's leaving. That's the guy right there that was smoking his blunt and staring at me. Look at her. She's so dirty. I need to fucking clean her, but it's whatever. Don't be the guy that shops in this aisle. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. 'Tis the season to fuck bitches. Look, it's Frosty the Snowman. Here we are. We found it, boys. Bro, oh my god. Well, rip me. They didn't have the they had some leaf blowers, but they're expensive as fuck, and they were all like gasoline and corded and shit, so I'm not fucking with that. So unfortunately I can't use my reef blower and suck up the nose of Squidward's house and shit, so fuck my life, I guess. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna order it off Amazon because they're like 30 bucks. And oh my god, look how nasty this bitch is. Nasty. See these little things, these fucking little watermarks? That's why I need the leaf blower. And oh my god, that's why I fucking hate this place, man. It snows, it rains, it's always fucking making your car look nasty as shit. So rip my life. Well guys, I just realized that like now that I can't get the leaf blower, there's like nothing else for me to do, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed the look of the GoPro Hero 7. Hope you guys think it's worthy. I'm gonna end the video here. So I'm gonna throw in a little like cinematic of my car when I go wash it using this GoPro, and we'll see how good it really is. I'll put it to the test, I'll color grade it, I'll do all that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and that'll be it. Peace.
This is real life, little home, that's why I stayed down. I done came up off that boy, look what I made now. Like Nike, I just do it, this ain't a game now. I try to get a job, but they turn me down. I know life ain't fair, that's why I don't play around. I know these niggas scap as hell, that's why I don't go around. I know these bitches very well, they ain't gon' hold you down. So I'm out here on my lonely, getting money now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ain't no stopping now. I got guap now, since I've been out, I'm on the top now. Rockstar.